So now I will do that again, but before that I would like to save my project setting. I will do that again. Okay, just go back to your project window. Alright, go back to your project window and drag your concentric circle down to timeline on the top of the break solid 2. Okay, why? Because maybe some of you might take my digital effect class. Ever you got experience. This means the mate should be on the top. Right? The mate should be on the top, and then we have to create some composition here. Alright? If you want to do some composition, you always need the front, the mate, the back. Alright? For now, the back is empty, and the back can be black at all. And however, you still need the front. Now the front is our break solid 2 with texture plasma effects on it, right? And we give it the mate. The mate is our concentric circle. Okay, so now this combination will be the composition. Okay, so please check here. This little icon allow you to expand some more function. Okay, check this little icon to expand more function in timeline. And then here is the track mate. Right? Track mate. And we select the break solid 2 and we checkmate the concentric circle. Use concentric circle as the mate for our break solid 2. Alright. Alright. Okay, I'll do that again. Okay. After you drag your concentric circle down to your timeline on the top of the break solid layer, solid 2 layer, and then check this little icon, this little lovely icon, and you will get the checkmate function here. Checkmate function. Okay, to do the composition, you need front and you need mate. So select the black solid 2 layer and check here. Select concentric circle. Alright. And then you can type your preview part key. Oh, I know. Wait a minute. I know what happened. I guess it used Alpha channel to be the mate, but I would like to switch to Luma mate. Here. Okay. So we have to switch to Luma mate. This is alpha mate. This is Luma mate. Okay? Come on. These guys just don't know digital effects. Alright? If these guys knows digital effects, they will not set alpha mate the default setting because 99% will be Luma mate, only 1% will be alpha mate. But these guys just select alpha mate as the default setting. Oh my god. Okay, so we have to change to Luma mate by ourselves. Okay, and you can check again. Ding, ding. All right. Recap. Once more. All right. After you drag your concentric circle down to here, on the top of Bragg Solitude, and check here to expand the functions, and select here the Bragg Solitude layer, select here, and select concentric circle as the mate. And one more thing, very important, you have to check here to change alpha mate to Luma mate. Alright, because we are using the Luma of our concentric circle.
Hallo. 你困去啊？
我知道他最后怎么办的。
他就是按这个，然后这个，然后这个，就这样，就是那个褶皱，鲁巴贝。
所以它只是用了圆形折皱。
是的。我们该走。好，交给你们了，我老婆。